Welcome to Dasco. The Cab Squix printer is a versatile printer allowing you to print on a variety of materials, and with the ability to attach accessories allowing you to cut, stack, apply, and more. Here we'll be showing you some different applications where the Squix excels. With the attached cutter, the Squix allows you to print on labels and sheet them to be placed in kits or brought straight to the floor for application. Being a center-aligned printer, the Squix allows you to print on continuous shrink sleeves, where you can either full cut or perforate them between your sleeves if you would like them to remain in a kit format. Heavy stocks, like raised panel labels and push-button labels, are no problem with the Squix printer. This 30 mm thick stock prints crisp and clear in the printer, allowing you to replace engraving or nameplates and print on demand. The Squix excels in holding registration on small labels down to 4 mm, holding tight tolerances to meet your needs. The Squix can operate in standalone mode without being attached to the computer. Your program is resident on the printer, allowing you to attach a barcode scanner and keyboard and use the printer's screen to enter data and print your labels or tags. For a durable printer that can handle a variety of applications, be sure to consider the Squix M printer. Connect it to your network, PC, or operate in standalone mode. Print on a variety of surfaces from regular labels to raised panel labels, shrink sleeves to tags. This printer can handle your application. At Dasco, we can assist you in setting the printer up to meet your needs and provide you with supplies you need. Thanks for watching. If you don't see what you need here, give us a call at Dasco. We're here to provide solutions that meet your needs. 800-927-7701 or contact us at dasco.com.